Looking for a fun and effective way to introduce your children to the world of coding? CodeMonkey makes learning real programming languages engaging and accessible. This award-winning platform teaches CoffeeScript and Python through game-based learning, offering puzzles and interactive challenges that captivate young minds. Children write real code to help characters like Monkey, Turtle, and Dodo complete missions in a playful environment, making complex concepts easy to grasp. CodeMonkey combines block-based coding for beginners with text-based coding, guiding learners from foundational skills to advanced programming concepts. It offers robust support tools, including teacher dashboards, classroom lesson plans, parental progress tracking, certificates, quizzes, and helpful super hints. Ideal for children aged 5 to 14, CodeMonkey fosters problem-solving, critical thinking, creativity, and essential tech skills for the digital age. While its engaging design and high-quality content are standout features, some advanced levels can offer a rewarding challenge for younger learners. Rated 5 stars by the Educational App Store, CodeMonkey stands out as one of the most effective and engaging coding platforms available for kids. We confidently recommend CodeMonkey for parents and educators seeking to introduce children to real programming skills in an inspiring and supportive environment.